Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into Amazon credit card. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in your browser, tap on the search bar and search for Amazon Synchrony. Amazon have collaborated with the Synchrony Bank for credit card, so you need to access their website. The valid website is amazon.syf.com. So you can find the web link from the results. Usually it appears at the top, so tap on it. Now it will directly prompt you to the Amazon credit card login system. In order to log in, you must have already created your account before. You can use your login credential over here to access your account. Enter your user ID over here, and right below that you can enter the password for your account and tap on the secure login option and you'll be logged into your Amazon credit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.